Why I use the AIRROBO T20 Plus robot vacuum cleaner. In today's fast-paced world, keeping my home clean without sacrificing time is essential. The AIRROBO T20 Plus is the perfect cleaning companion that effortlessly vacuums and mops, ensuring my floors stay spotless with minimal effort. What makes it stand out? Automatic suction station. No more emptying dustbins daily. The self-emptying feature means weeks of hassle-free cleaning. Powerful suction and LiDAR navigation. It intelligently maps my home and ensures deep cleaning, even on carpets and pet hair. 180-minute runtime. Long-lasting battery life allows it to clean my entire space in one go. App and remote control. Whether I'm home or away, I can schedule and monitor cleaning from my phone. Eco-friendly and time-saving. A sustainable choice that helps me focus on things that matter. Since using the AIRROBO T20 Plus, my home feels fresh, dust-free, and effortlessly clean every day. It's truly a game changer for anyone who values both cleanliness and convenience.